Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2017 Ford Escape SE. This Escape SE comes with a few different features. Let's take a look. You've got remote entry key door pad, heated mirrors with blind spot mirror, power window controls, power mirror controls, leather interior with power seats for the passenger and driver, interior lighting controls with your trunk release button. Go ahead and turn it over. You've got a nice dashboard here with a few different menus, trip and fuel, vehicle information, vehicle settings with driver's assist and my key. On the steering wheel itself, you've got cruise control on the left and then hands-free on the right. Paddle shifters are behind. Navigation, satellite radio, 4G hotspot, and many other features on this Escape. You've got dual zone climate control with heated seat controls. Auto start stop and traction control button is down there. Center console cup holders and electric parking brake. And you also have controls for your panoramic moonroof, which stretches across the entire length of the Ford Escape. As you come around to the back of the Escape, you'll notice a few things. You've got a dual exhaust here. Trailer hitch is installed. You've got rear park sensors along the back bumper. Rear view camera right above the license plate cover. Open the trunk, press the button once, and it is a power lift tailgate. Lots of space in the back of the Escape. You've also got a privacy cover for any cargo back here you want to keep hidden. Under here you have room for your spare tire and then a few other cubbies where you can hide a few extra things. The Escape's very spacious. You can put the back seats down as well. To close the trunk, you just press the button up here. It'll come back down for you. Coming into the back seat now, you've got cubbies on the doors, leather seating in the rear. Very spacious back here. You've got a compartment in both the rear seats for anything you might want to put there. You've got two climate controlled fans, and you have a household plug down here to charge your devices if you're in the back seat. You've also got a drop down armrest with cup holders for the convenience of your rear passengers. You get a nice view of your moonroof from back here as well, like so. And then coming up around to the front of the Escape, you've got your headlights, low beams, high beams, and fog lights. Front facing grille, nice looking front end here. All around a sharp family SUV. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today and talk to our sales advisor about getting into this pre-owned Ford Escape. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.